If your Apple Watch Series 10's display has become zoomed in and you can't zoom out in any way, because of that the watch is totally unusable, then let me show you how easily you can unzoom your Apple Watch that's stuck in zoomed in display. As you can see, our Apple Watch display is totally zoomed in, but it can be fixed if you force restart your Apple Watch. To do that, you'll need to hold down both the side button and the crown. Wait until your Apple Watch turns off, then you can release it, and it will boot up in normal display. You can also unzoom your watch by double tapping on the screen. But your Apple Watch may still get zoomed in from time to time, so to turn it off permanently, you'll need to go to your watch settings. Then scroll down to accessibility, go to zoom, and turn it off from here. It will say zoom disabled. You can do the same thing from your iPhone's watch app. And now your Apple Watch Series 10 will no longer have zoomed in display issue. So make sure to give this video a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.